Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start the topic matrices. Matrices is basically the rectangular table in which numbers are arranged in a column and rows form. Basically, matrices is used to arrange the raw form data into a table form to understand it more accurately and more easily. Okay. So there are basically certain and simple concepts in matrices that we have to cover, and then after those concepts, then we are going to move towards the past paper question as well. Okay, so this topic is very easy. Basically, it takes hardly 3 to 4 lectures to cover this topic. Okay, so the first one is order of a matrix. Okay, order of a matrix. Okay, in this order of a matrix, for order of a matrix, first I am giving you the matrix, X matrix, and it is equals to 1, -1, and -5. Okay, after this, first you have to find out how many rows and column are in matrix X. So there are basically 2 rows, one row and second row, and column is 1. Okay, columns or vertical lines, and rows means horizontal lines. Okay, vertical line means, yeah, vertical part of the matrix are considered as a columns, and horizontal part of a matrix is are considered as a rows. Okay, here in this one column, one columns, okay, and 2 rows are there in matrix X. Now the question is this, how you have to write down the order of a matrix. So for this you have to follow follow the uh, some certain rule. Okay, so the number one, you have to write down number of rows first and times with number of column. Okay, like here the number of rows 2 and number rows of columns is 1. Okay, this is the order of a matrix. The second one is, do not times okay, do not times order in a matrix. Means we do not need to times these two order, okay, in a matrix. Okay, you have to just write it down like this. 2 by 1 means 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, this is the order of a matrix. It is very simple. Now we do some example here, and then we are moving towards the next concept. Another matrix that I'm giving to you mm, Z matrix 1 2 0 minus 5. Now write the order of matrix Z. Now look, in this one column, two column, one row and two row. So according to the criteria, you have to write down the rows first and columns after the rows. So there are two rows and two columns. Okay, so you have to write like this: 2 times 2 is basically in this way. This is the order of a matrix Z. Look into another example. In matrix A, there are three columns. Look, one column, two column, and three column. And rows are two, one row and two row. Now write down in a order form. First you have to write down the rows. Rows are two and columns are three. 2 by 3 order of a matrix A. Okay, so this is very easy concept. Now we are moving towards the addition and subtraction. Second concept is addition and subtraction. For addition, subtraction, multiplication, you need to know the order first. Okay, after you know okay, in addition and subtraction, you have to know okay how you have to write the order of the matrix. First you have to learn that basically certain point number of rows multiplied by number of columns, and then you have to do the addition of a matrix. Means you have to write down the order first and then you have to subtract or add it accordingly. Okay, after this, just there is a basic rule for addition and subtraction. Two matrices, you can call it two or more, it's up to you. Two or more matrices can be add or subtract. Okay, we can add or subtract two or more matrices, but it needs if and only if and only if the order is the same. Means if you have to add two matrices, it's necessary that both the matrices have the same order. If the order are not same, then we are not able to add or subtract, so we have to just write addition of that particular matrices are not possible. Like, look into the example. A is the matrix and it is given to you like 4 3, and the B is the matrix that is given to you 7 and 2, 5 and 0. So write down the order first. For matrix A, the order of matrix A is 1 and 2, and here 2 by 2. So look, order are not same, so we can write A plus B is not possible. Okay, in second part अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, like and I'm asking from you guys, can you tell me A plus C is possible? Yes, A and C are possible. The reason is because A and C has the same order. A has 2 by 2 and also C has also 2 by 2. So look at the order. Order are basically same. So we can add and subtract A and C. Okay. For addition and subtraction, just write it down. The matrix A 4 2 1 0 plus 1 4 7 2. When you have to add these two matrices, you have to remember the corresponding ones gonna be add or subtract. Like ये 4 जो है ये 1 से ही add होगा, और ये जो next जो रॉ का आपके पास नंबर है वो इससे ऐड होगा, एंड देन ये फिर आपके पास इससे ऐड होगा और ये फिर इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली ना करें, जैसे आप इसको लिखें इस फॉर्म के अंदर. ठीक है, 4 + 1 2 + 4. अगेन गैप छोड़ेंगे बिकॉज यू आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट रॉ. 1 and 7, 1 + 7 and 0 + 2. So look at the answer. 5 6 8 2 is the answer for A and C when you add A and C. Okay. Look into another example. -5 gonna be add with -2. Okay. -3 gonna be add with 5. 4 + 3, 0 plus and -4. Okay. So first simplify. -5 plus -2, -5 and plus -3 and +5 gonna be +2. 4 + 3 is 7. 0 plus minus 0 plus minus minus 4. Okay, so now simplify it further. Minus minus plus, it's gonna be -7 because of the greater sign. You have to do the operation of the multiplied one and then you have to write the greater sign. plus 7 and minus 4 is the answer for these two matrices. Okay, look into another example. A matrix is basically 7 2 1 0. You have to another matrix that is B, like 4 8 minus 2 minus 11. Now I'm saying find A minus B, okay, and B minus A. First, you have to find A minus B. 7 minus 4, okay. 1 minus minus 2, 2 minus 8, 0 minus minus 11, okay. Plus 7 minus 4 equals to 3, minus minus plus 1 plus 2, 2 minus 8 minus 6, 11. 3, 3 minus 6 and 11 is the answer for A minus B. Now look at B minus A. B matrix is 4 8 minus 2 minus 11 minus A bracket, that is 7 2 1 0, 4 minus 7 minus 2 minus 1, 8 minus 2 minus 11 plus 0. Look at the answer. Minus 3, minus 3, 6 and minus 11. Okay, so this is the answer for matrix A minus B and B minus A. So just मैं आज इस लेक्चर को यहीं पे एंड कर रहा हूँ. In next video we are going to cover the multiplication of a matrices. Okay, so if you have any question related to this, आप मुझसे वो पूछ सकते हैं. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा एंड शेयर कीजिएगा. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.